Today, I'm going to show you how to remove a background image on Wix, whether you're refreshing your website's look or simply want to replace an outdated background. This process is straightforward and gives you full control over your site's visual appeal. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, you'll need to go to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. Look over to the left navigation menu where you'll see several options for managing your site. Click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to different parts of your site's setup. From this menu, click on Website. This takes you directly to the management area for your website's content and design. From here, you can preview the website settings you currently have. This is an important step because you want to make sure that this is the actual website you wish to remove a background image from, especially if you manage multiple sites under one account. Take a moment to confirm you're working with the right site before proceeding. Once you've confirmed you're on the correct website, locate the Design Site button on the top part of your screen. It's typically positioned beside a pen icon, making it easy to spot. Click on this button to enter the editing interface. This is where all the visual customization happens, and it's your gateway to making changes to backgrounds, layouts, and other design elements. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is your workspace for all design modifications. From here, locate the specific page where the background image you wish to remove is located. Wix allows you to work on individual pages, so navigate through your site structure until you find the right one. Once you're on that page, click on the section where the background image is located. When you do this, you'll notice a Change Background menu appear. This menu is your control center for everything related to that section's background. Click on the Change Background option. To remove the background image, you have a few choices. You can simply replace it with a different background using solid colors, which is perfect if you want a clean, minimalist look. Alternatively, you can upload other images from your own files or even add a video background for a more dynamic effect. Wix also provides a library of stock images you can browse through and select a new background from, giving you plenty of options without needing external resources. And that's it. You've successfully removed or replaced your background image on Wix. This simple process gives you the flexibility to keep your website fresh and aligned with your brand's evolving style. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.